Scrambled eggs are a breakfast staple. They are versatile, quick, and packed with flavor. But achieving the perfect scrambled eggs can be tricky. Today, we'll simplify that process for you. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, milk or cream, butter, salt, and pepper. The quality of your eggs matters, so choose the best you can find. First, crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Whisk them gently. Add a splash of milk or cream. This makes your eggs creamy and rich. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, heat your non-stick pan on low. This step is crucial. Low heat ensures soft, creamy eggs. Add a generous pat of butter. Let it melt slowly, coating the pan. Once the butter is melted, pour in the egg mixture. Don't stir immediately. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. This allows the eggs to set slightly on the bottom. Using a spatula, gently start to fold the eggs. Push from the edges to the center. Continue folding every few seconds. Remember, patience is key here. Cook until the eggs are softly set but slightly runny. They will continue cooking off the heat. Remove the pan from the stove. Transfer your scrambled eggs to a warm plate. For added flavor, consider topping them with fresh herbs like chives or parsley. A sprinkle of cheese can enhance them too. This dish is perfect with toast or fresh fruit. You can customize it by adding veggies or meats if you want. To recap, start with quality ingredients. Whisk your eggs with milk. Cook on low heat and fold gently. Serve warm and enjoy. Now it's your turn. Try this scrambled eggs recipe at home. We'd love to see your breakfast creations, so share your results in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit subscribe for more cooking tips and delicious recipes. Happy cooking, and see you next time. Scrambled eggs are not just about technique, they embody the comfort of a home-cooked breakfast. The aroma of butter melting, the gentle sizzle of eggs in a pan. It's an inviting experience that brings joy. As you take the time to perfect this classic dish, remember to savor the process. With each step, you are creating not just a meal but a moment to cherish. Invite family or friends to the table, and share the warmth of your culinary creation with those you love. Enjoy every bite. As you stand at the stove, the inviting aroma fills the air, signaling that something delicious is moments away. Picture the golden, fluffy eggs slowly transforming as they cook. The anticipation grows with every fold, and your mouth begins to water. Embrace the joy of cooking as you watch magic happen in that pan, crafting a simple yet delightful meal that is sure to leave everyone smiling. As you plate your scrambled eggs, take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and inviting texture. The gentle steam rising from the dish adds an extra touch of warmth, beckoning everyone to gather around and share in your culinary achievement. Each bite promises a delightful blend of creaminess and flavor, ensuring that this breakfast staple never goes out of style. Whether enjoyed solo or paired with your favorite sides, these scrambled eggs are sure to become a cherished part of your morning routine, bringing joy and satisfaction to every breakfast table. Now, let's take the experience a step further by considering the celebration of breakfast itself. Imagine the laughter around the table as stories are shared over delicious bites of scrambled eggs. This is not just a meal, it's a chance to connect and create memories, a time to appreciate the nourishment and warmth that food can bring. The delightful interplay of flavors invites everyone to slow down and relish each moment, transforming an ordinary meal into an extraordinary occasion. So, gather your loved ones, serve these exquisite scrambled eggs, and let the breakfast magic unfold together as you embrace not just the food but the bonds that are nourished along with it. Now that you've mastered the art of perfect scrambled eggs, don't forget to experiment with add-ins. Try sautéed spinach for a touch of earthy flavor, or crispy bacon for a savory crunch. Each new ingredient can elevate your dish, turning a simple breakfast into a gourmet experience that delights your taste buds and fuels an adventurous appetite. Enjoy! By incorporating fresh ingredients and sharing your love for cooking, you create more than just a meal. You cultivate an atmosphere of joy and unity. Let every breakfast become a cherished ritual, fostering connections and memories that linger long after the last bite is enjoyed. Happy cooking and see you again soon.